Toyota has unveiled the TRD Surf concept, a two-door, removable hardtop version of the 2025 4Runner. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. The Toyota 4Runner TRD Surf concept brings some fun SoCal surf culture and nostalgia to the 2024 SEMA show. This concept vehicle started life as a 2025 4Runner TRD Limited. It then was converted from a four-door to a two-door and gained a removable hardtop. Toyota says the new hardtop was designed to be easily removed and installed by just one person. This concept brings back the open-air spirit of the original 4Runner with a modern twist. Inspired by the 80s, the TRD Surf concept features a vibrant purple paint job with wave graphics and surfboards. "We wanted to create something that would resonate today while paying homage to the past," said Marty Schwerter, lead builder at Toyota's Motorsports Technical Center. Under the hood, the 4Runner TRD Surf concept boasts the iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A full-time four-wheel drive system ensures it won't get stuck in the sand. The vehicle's wider track and 37-inch all-terrain tires enhance its beach cruising capabilities. The interior is weatherproofed, featuring soft marine flooring. With the removal of two doors, the front passenger seat flips forward for easy access to the rear seats. A rear roll bar hoop and roof rack add functionality to this beach-ready vehicle. The Toyota 4Runner TRD Surf concept will debut at the 2024 SEMA show in Las Vegas. Stay tuned for more exciting concepts and innovations from the event. The Toyota 4Runner TRD Surf concept will make its public debut at the 2024 SEMA show next week in Las Vegas. I'll be there to bring you all the action, so stay tuned for more awesome concepts and new products from the show. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.